Designed to operate in the most critical substation environments, the saTECH modular system offers a reliable and flexible solution for metering, protection, and control panels. This relay and test block mounting system stands out for its robust security features, adaptable design, and wide-ranging applicability, ensuring efficient and effective performance in the most demanding electrical applications. Capitalizing on the versatility of the saTECH MS, the innovative concept of MS Combos emerges, representing an array of infinite combination possibilities. These combos, pre-wired functional assemblies of Arteche relays and test blocks, are designed to seamlessly adapt to every engineering requirements. During engineering, saTECH MS Combos enable the creation of validated application-tailored sets for each protection scheme and reuse them between projects as standard combos. During operation and maintenance, saTECH MS Combos provides a strong galvanic insulation between HV switchyard equipment and secondary protection and control devices, protecting both substation automation system IEDs and O&M engineers involved in maintenance and retrofitting. saTECH MS offers flexibility to cover a wide range of applications, providing several benefits in HV protection and control arena. Contact us to learn more about available configurations, accessories, and options to meet your application requirements.